I know your dream garden is this, this, and this.
But the reality, this.
Am I handsome? Not handsome at all. I think you look like my brother.
2,000 years later.
Well, if you want to make over your garden or your courtyard, our products must be the best choice.
Everybody wants to live in an environment with environmentally friendly material, elegant outlook, combining with green plants.
All the things about stones in the video we can provide for you.
Not except me.
It is such a pleasure to live in such an environment for both body and mind.
If you are watching our videos, you must be a fine example who has a keen sense of the joy of life. With magic stone will make you get more close to your ideal life.